As the US raises tariffs on Chinese goods, India finds itself in a strategic sweet spot. With a 90-day tariff break from Washington, New Delhi has a rare chance to strengthen its role in global supply chains. Sectors like textiles, electronics and auto parts are already gaining traction. If India leverages this window, possibly with a US-India trade deal, it could boost exports and emerge as a key global manufacturing hub.
What happens with China?
As the US escalates its trade offensive against China, with tariffs reaching up to 145%, India finds itself in a strategic sweet spot. In a bold move, Washington has announced a 90-day tariff hiatus for nations like India, giving New Delhi a rare opportunity to strengthen its role in global supply chains. While China faces punitive duties, India's moderate tariff regime and growing ties with the US position it as a practical China Plus One alternative. American buyers, multinationals and global planners are now eyeing India more seriously for industries once dominated by Chinese exports. Instead of retaliating, India is choosing diplomacy, a move industry leaders see as pragmatic and forward-looking.
It will hurt India's industries across the board. Some industries they may gain because of the higher tariffs on the other nations, but since there is no predictability of the tariffs, I don't think any investor will be taking risk of investing in any country. So theoretically, we say India may gain on say labor intensive sectors and other sectors because of higher tariffs on China or Vietnam or even Bangladesh.
India stands to benefit from shifting global trade patterns, with export-driven sectors like textiles, electronics, auto parts and gems and jewelry poised for rising demand as buyers seek alternatives to China amid rising tariff hikes. This shift could reinvigorate the Make in India initiative as multinationals diversify their sourcing strategies. The current tariff truce also coincides with growing speculation about a US-India trade deal, which could ease regulatory barriers and deepen bilateral trade ties.
We are hopeful, especially with the President Trump saying he has a good chemistry with our Prime Minister and he says he's a friend. Our chance of getting a good bilateral deal is fairly good, and I'm optimistic on it.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी और प्रेसिडेंट ट्रंप ने फरवरी में ही निर्णय ले लिया था कि हम आपसी संबंध बढ़ाते हुए बायलैटरल ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट एक ऐसा करार करेंगे जो भारत और यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के बीच व्यापार को सरल भी करेगा, 500 बिलियन तक यानी आज से 2.5 गुना बढ़ाने का काम भी करेगा.
Experts caution that while Indian industries may face short-term disruptions, the long-term potential is significant.